Good morning, everyone. Joe JLF Ranches. So this morning we're gonna do part 2 of a C6.6 that we did last week. Last week we did the rocker base replacement and we got the parts in for it, so we're gonna go ahead and do the exhaust manifold, get that pulled off and whatnot, and show y'all how pull the turbo and everything out of there and get the exhaust manifold off. Hopefully we don't get any broken bolts, but when it comes to exhaust manifold bolts, that is a high probability. So we'll get started on it. Join us along. The old one off, and as you can see, that crack, well, it was pretty close to cracking all the way through. So there's the new one. We'll get new studs put in here for the turbo. We've got new mounting bolts and spacers. We'll get that all taken care of and we'll get it back on. Alright, these bolts, they get torqued to 32 plus or minus 2 foot-pounds. No Loctite, no NSCs on them. And they get torqued in a sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And that's the sequence they get torqued into. So we're going to go ahead and torque them. well, that's how you do the exhaust manifold removal and install of that in the turbo on a C6.6 this is out of Sheep Foot roller. So, as always, if you'll have any questions or comments, suggestions, leave them in the comment section. I'll answer best I can. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see y'all on the next one. Y'all have a nice day. Thank you.